Hello kids, how are you? Hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel Smart Kids. This is Fayaz. Today we will be discussing on English grammar. Adverbs. What are adverbs? Adverbs are the words that modifies verbs or adjectives or other adverbs, providing more important details. There are various types of adverbs that we have. Let us look at one after the other. First, adverb of manner. Adverb of manner tells us how an action is performed. For example, Vani sang the song beautifully. This child writes neatly. In both the cases, beautifully and neatly are the examples of adverb of manner. Next, adverb of time denotes when an action takes place. For example, all the members arrived early to the meeting. Tell me about the decision soon. In both the examples, early and soon are the examples of adverb of time. Adverb of place. Adverb of place specify where an action took place. For instance, the party is inside the building. The noise is everywhere. Here, inside and everywhere are the examples of adverb of place. Adverb of frequency indicates how often an action takes place. For example, he comes to the school late every day. Ravi completes his homework regularly. Here, every day and regularly are the examples of adverb of frequency. Next, adverb of degree. An adverb of degree is an adverb that describes how intense or to what extent another word applies. For example, the water was extremely cold. The movie is quite interesting. Here, extremely and quite are the examples of adverb of degree. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like the video, share with your friends, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. I will be back with another video very soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.